At this point, no arrest has been announced. There is no active crime being charged, and the stop remains legally routine. But within minutes, a single decision will shift this encounter from detention to arrest. In this analysis, we examine exactly where that legal threshold changes and why the outcome becomes unavoidable. At this stage, the encounter remains a lawful, routine traffic stop. Officers are issuing safety-related instructions, but no arrest authority has been invoked.
Put it on your car, man. Put it. Man, I have to take my mom to the hospital, dog. Like, put it in your car. You taking longer than expected. Okay. All right. I gotta back you down. Put the phone on top of that. Put your hand on top of the car. Bro, I'm not telling you put your hand back. Relax. No weapon on you? Alright. No needle, no knives. You trying to speed this shit up. Alright? Okay, that's fine. I don't mind. That's your car keys. Alright. Alright, turn around. Alright, do me a favor. No. Put your leg forward. Like, put your leg forward and cross it. Sit down, bro. Sit down and cross your leg.
Alright, look. Bring your feet out.
Okay, I'm trying
Look.
I'm trying to be
Relax.
fast.
Bring your feet out and cross them. That's it. Bring your feet out. Look. You're not
Want me
listening.
to help you? Like this. I want you to do it like this and cross it.
That's it.
And just wait, okay? Give me a second. Watch it.
Your keys.
So there's no drugs in the car, no nothing, right? Alright, I'll do a quick search. Everything's good. You're gonna be good to go, alright?
How old are you? How old are you? Ah, okay. 22. Jonathan, right? Where do you work at? Where do you work at? Do you work or you just stay at home? In Hialeah or in North Miami Beach? You know you can talk, right?
Can I stand up? Why?
Because we told you to sit.
Why are you being so mean to me? What's wrong with my position?
How are we being mean and we didn't even talk?
Why did you leave the phone?
We're conducting an investigation. The phone doesn't need to be open. Why does the phone need to be open? She's not here. You're not even talking to her. Right now, when I hung it up, you weren't talking to her. And even if you were talking to her, I would have took the phone and I would have hung it up and I would have put it there anyways.
What are you guys want?
What?
Can I ask what you guys want to know?
What?
Can I ask what you guys want to know? Like, you say I can talk and I'm not like...
He tried talking to you before. You would have been in the car the whole time if you just complied with him at first. You didn't, which is why you ended up out here.
Whoever doesn't know,
Okay?
I comply.
There was times before that where you didn't. You didn't even want to sit down. We had to help you sit down.
I was shaking. You saw how I was shaking, man.
And I tried talking to you, and you ignored me. He tried talking to you, you ignored him.
You know what happens when you're having a panic attack?
Yes, that's the point. You talk it through, and that's what I was trying to do with you. But you ignored the fuck out of us. So whatever.
I didn't ignore you, man.
You see how you don't talk, right? And then when you want something from me, you want me to talk to you, right? You see this, right? So now if you ask me something and I ignore you, don't say anything.
in a vehicle heading northbound from 19 and 174.
This is where the legal boundary tightens. Continued resistance to positioning and instructions allows officers to shift from a consensual encounter into investigative detention.
Bravo, Foxtrot 11. Any units just... You saw that visual?
Yeah, so 1490 crime time. 319. Just
Okay, so 17. Vehicles approaching Miami Gardens from 19th Avenue.
356 is the white male fleeing, blue top, gray bottoms.
Unit 3, Miami Gardens from 19th Avenue, right now, gray top, blue bottoms.
Get on the ground! 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 Get on the ground!
Put her up, bro. Put her up. Put her up.
359
356 keeps units on 3.
Once the subject flees during lawful detention, the legal status changes. Flight establishes probable cause to effect an arrest.
But we need more info. Where's the subject?
356 around the gardens. Give me your other hand! Give me your hand!
Give me your arm!
Get it!
Give me your arm!
Give me your hand!
Give me your arm!
Give me your hand!
359.
Down there.
Unit
There you go.
for a 22 Chevy blue
There
and
you
color pickup truck. Should be in the area of 19th Avenue.
Fuck, he's holding the hand.
Drive.
Give me your fucking hand!
¡Ayuda! ¡Esa policía! ¡Esa policía! ¡Ayuda! ¡El papi!
356 subject in custody.
Subject in custody is 1656.
I got him. Get your rest. I got him. Get your rest.
From here, physical force is legally directed towards securing custody. The objective is control and compliance, not punishment.
Anybody there? Let's see if we can send an additional unit over to the. Let's see if we can send an additional unit to the 17th, just to double check on anybody injured.
Hotel, what kind of vehicle? And is it on the guard?
It's a white Honda Civic.
It should be on
And the
18th
remote.
Road before Miami Gardens. Southbound of Miami Gardens. It should be a white Honda Civic.
I guess I'm just sad.
The unit
Ya te help me, let's see your one.
that vehicle southbound, just for the guard, 1812, white Hunter. Thank you, folks.
Bring my car over. Bring my car over. Park it over here. I don't think so. But let's send somebody over there already. We got like 3 officers here.
Okay, I need an additional unit to secure the subject vehicle. Should be just
Open it up in the back just to make sure I don't have a
That's gonna be that pickup truck blue.
Get up. Get inside.
Come on, come on.
Get inside.
This case demonstrates how continued non-compliance and flight during a routine traffic stop can legally escalate from a consensual encounter into detention, arrest, and physical restraint under standard law enforcement procedures.